Let us discuss programming in Java concepts. Programming in Java concept supports the OOPS, that is object-oriented programming. In this object-oriented programming, it, it consists of class, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and inheritance. Let us see one by one. Object has an entity. It has a different state and behavior for the object. That is, for example, let us consider the human. Human has the name, which is to call the person, and but that person has the different properties, that is height and weight and role and color. These are all the properties. And method, this person can walk and run and read and write. So these are all the behaviors for the human. So this is called object. So object is a entity. The collections of object is called as class, that is, which is defined as a blueprint from the user can create the individual object. This object and class as the four pillars of the OOPS concepts. First one is inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, and then abstractions. Let us see one by one. That is inheritance. You are going to inherit some properties and methods from the base class to the derived class is called inheritance. That is, you have the some, you are acquiring some properties from the parents to the children. That is called inheritance. The, this concept is mainly used for reusability. And then polymorphism, we have the one task. That task is able to perform in different way is called polymorphism. Example, the woman can act as a mother and also can work as a lawyer. So this is the concept called polymorphism. In Java, method overloading and method overriding is to achieve the polymorphism concepts. Encapsulation, binding data together, binding data and code together into a single unit is called encapsulation. We are covering both code and data together for some security reasons. That is called encapsulations. In abstraction, you are hiding certain details from the user, but they can perform that task is called abstractions. For example, the person is inserting the card into the ATM machine and give some inputs and process that inputs and get the money. But he don't know what happens at the backend. So this is called data abstraction. In Java, using abstract class and interface to achieve this data abstraction. So these are all the four pillars of the OOPS: inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, abstraction.